Early in 2013, the New Media Consortium released their Horizon report on emerging technologies and how they're going to impact our society in the future. 3D printing was one of the amazing new technologies that they wrote about and explored in their report. But what exactly is 3D printing? When I hear things on the news really quickly about printing dresses or printing skulls in medicine, I really am confused about how exactly you can print a 3D object. And exactly how can I print new high heel shoes that I would like? So to find out more information about this topic, I went down to the tech rooms at our school. So this is a 3D printer. The design and technology students use it to create the parts for their models and projects. They first have to design the parts using 3D graphics software. Here is the graphic design that the boys have created, and now here is the design being printed. Mr. Rosenzweig will now explain more.
There's the plastic filament. It gets fed through a motor or step extruder that pulls it through a small amount of time, goes through a heating element, and then gets extruded out in a very small filament in the correct location.
Here is a close-up of the printing process. This little part here will take about 20 minutes to print. This is another project that the tech students have printed. If you look closely, you can see the layers of plastic and where they have been heated and joined. Through actually watching the process, I now have a much clearer understanding of how 3D printing actually works, and the opportunities for creativity and innovation seem endless. 3D printing can be used in product design, in fashion design, to create beautiful and unique jewellery, in architectural models, and even to replace bone. 3D printing has so many uses for improving people's well-being and their quality of life. 3D printing will also have a massive impact on the way we consume things.
I don't think there's any question that 3D printing is going to have a significant impact in the marketplace. It's going to create more variety in what's produced. It's also going to make more unique products available for consumers. But I think more importantly, it's going to put more creative control in the hands of people who normally wouldn't be able to afford this. Designers that we haven't heard of but who are incredibly creative, and others who are creating projects. And I think it's going to be very interesting to see how it affects it.
Okay, so that is the beginning of the story on 3D printers. Oh, and it looks like my shoes are ready.